Hey guys, I'm here to show you how to use and run the Photosynthesis Light Lab we're going to be doing this week. So this is going to be a video on how to kind of run the simulation. I am going to do another video on how to walk through kind of what I'm expecting you to do and what's going to be on your lab write-up. But I just want to kind of go through the ins and outs of this lab. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to read the overview here, the background. And then it's kind of going to go through what you need to do here. I also have this, we'll also have this on your lab write-up. So the first thing it wants you to do is watch this video. So to do that, you would click on video, and it's going to walk through a video for you. Okay. It keeps replaying, so when it starts over with this sun right here, you can just shut it off because it's going to restart. So watch that video. Just kind of give you an idea of what the lab's going to be about. We're going to be talking about photosynthesis and how photosynthesis is affected by different types of colored light. Okay. So what you're going to do, we're going to be using spinach for this whole thing, and basically the only reason I chose spinach is because when you go to your table, spinach is the very first one there. So I figured it'd just be easiest to do that. So what you're going to be doing is comparing how spinach grows with a particular color of light. So we're going to be comparing all these different colors to green. Okay, so the first thing you do, you click on spinach because that's what we're going to be using the whole time. We're going to be comparing everything to green light. So the first one you do is green versus red, and then you're going to click on, and it's going to run for 30 days. And then there you can see how your spinach has grown. Okay, then you're going to take your ruler and you're going to measure using centimeters how much your plant has grown. Okay, and then you can reset it after you've done that, and you can go to your table and you can fill in your numbers. Okay, when you're done, I'm just putting in random numbers, guys, for the video. When you're done with all of them, you're going to click graph, and it's going to show you how spinach grew with the different colors. And if you decide that you wanted to continue and do like the radish and the lettuce with the different types of light and make that graph, that's something you definitely could do. But for this, only thing I'm asking you to do is to do the spinach. Okay. Then the last thing you're going to do is you're going to go to journal, and these questions will be in your lab write-up too, but I just want to show you what those questions are going to be. You're going to be doing questions 3, 4, and 5, okay? And like I said, those will be where you can type in your Photosynthesis Light Lab assignment, okay? So just like I said, we're only going to be using spinach. We are going to be using green light on the left side the whole time, and then you're going to be testing it against each different color of light. And then when you're done, you'd measure the height of your spinach, and then when you want to reset, you just reset.